What are you doing? I said, don't watch this. But since you're here, you should know you were just being programmed. Why are you letting people program you? Your mind is the only thing that's allowing you to stay connected to this reality. You do know that, right? If your mind falls apart, if for whatever reason your brain stops functioning well, your connection to this reality will be cut. If your body gives out underneath all of the stress that you are currently experiencing, you will cease to exist. You do realize that, right? You are being pacified so that they can drain your life force and your energy. It's literally like the weird shit that you see in the sci-fi movies, except for this is real life. Energy goes where the attention is given. So if you spend most of your time paying attention to your phone, if you're walking around like a bot with your phone in your hand all day, you're not even paying attention to the reality that you are actually currently living in. As a result, things are happening outside of you that are affecting you because you still have to live here, but your mind isn't here. You do realize this. Your mind and your energy are literally being captured and siphoned by this phone. You're watching me on the very device that they are using to encapsulate your vitality so that you don't have any energy or mental processes to escape the physical hell that they are bringing upon the earth. You are being enslaved without even having to be touched. Do you understand this? The ones that you watch are actually living a life, and they're living a life in wealth because energy is currency. And as you're watching, all of the currency that you possess is being handed over to them. So I ask again, why are you letting yourself be programmed into oblivion? What are you doing? What are you doing? You can't even pay your bills. But all of the energy and vitality that you have, you're just handing it over. That's crazy. That's crazy. You better snap out of it. You better snap out of it.